Hello student. Today we are going to see the sixth semester paper first. The name of the paper is the protocol data, and this first is the minor phyla, Europe, protocol data, taxonomy, and study of the shark. So this we are going to see this topic first, or unit first one is, that is minor phyla and protocol data. The students introduce the classification, general characters, and phylogeny of minor phyla and protocol data. Learning outcome is the student have basic in morphological and physiological characters of minor phyla and the protocol data, and the study of phylogeny with help learners to understand the evolutionary relationship between the organisms. So this protocol data, we are going to see this classification, general characters, overview, saline features, urochordates and cephalochordates. So this definition of this chordates and protocol data. The name of this phylum is derived from two Greek words. The chordate means a string or cord, and ata means chordata, meaning is the bearing group of or forms. म्हणजे कॉर्डेटमध्ये जे ॲनिमलचं स्ट्रिंग कॉर्ड आहे आणि तो बेरिंग आहे तो फॉर्म्समध्ये, त्याला आपण कॉर्डेटा म्हणतो. दस कॉर्डेट्स आर ॲनिमल्स हॅव्हिंग ए कॉर्ड दॅट इज नोटोकॉर्ड. Notochord means the nerve cord is present to the animals, and they are include about 45,000 species. Many animals of major economic importance. The phylum Chordata includes the most highly evolved animals, the vertebrates as well as the marine invertebrates, cephalochordate, amphioxys and tunicates. The fundamental characteristics of the chordate. All chordates shows all or at least any one of the following three fundamental chordates and the characteristics: notochord, nerve cord, pharyngeal gill slits, etc. The notochord is a chorda dorsalis. The notochord is an elongated, flexible, cartilaginous cord, rod-like skeletal structure, lies dorsal to the gut tube and ventral to the nerve cord. The diagram of notochord is it having a notochord, endoderm, ectoderm, neural canal and spike neck mesoderm. You can see this four traits that characteristics of the chordates is: dorsal hollow nerve cord, the nerve notochord, brain, pharyngeal gills, anus, and the post-anal tails are present. See, this nerve cord means what actually? Basically, this nerve cord of chordates develop dorsally in the body as in longitudinal, a fluid-filled hollow tube lying just above the notochord and extended the lengthwise in the body. The fate of the nerve cord is most species differentiates in the embryogenies, the brain, spinal cord, central nervous system, etc. Function of gill cleft seeds. Gill cleft serve primarily for the passage of water from the pharynx to outside, thus bathing the gills for respiration. The water current secondarily aid in filter feeding by retaining food particles in the pharynx. General characteristics of the chordate is bilateral symmetry, cryptoblastic, deuterostome, complete digestive tract, well-developed coelom. Internal organs are suspended in the coelomic cavity by a thin membranous tissue called mesentery. Sexual reproduction and post-anal tail. So you are going to see these characteristics of the chordate. Phylum Chordata. ग्रुप क्रॅनिएटा अँड क्रॅनिएटा म्हणजे ज्या ॲनिमल्सला माउथ आहे ते. सबफायलम युरोकॉर्डेटा, सिफॅलोकॉर्डेटा, अग्न्याता and the Gnathostomata. So this is the classification of the chordate. So the group Craniata, that is known as the Protochordata, they are the simple or first chordates in which brain box, that is known as the cranium, is absent and hence brain is not prominent. The notochord does not transform into vertebral column. Group Acraniata is divided into two subphylum, Urochordata, notochord in the tail, the subphylum Cephalochordata, and the notochord from head to tail. Cephalochordata means, it is a word is the cephalo means the head, and the chordate means the cord, and it is an animal in the chordate subphylum Cephalochordata. The cephalochordates are segmented and marine animals that possess elongated bodies containing a notochord that extends the length of the body from head to tail. So the phylum Urochordata, that is the example is tunicate. Urochordata have a notochord that extends from just behind the head to the tail rather than from head to tail. Urochordata means tail cord. The urochordates are also called tunicate because their body is enclosed in a sac called tunic or test composed largely of tunicin similar to cellulose, and the tunicate includes about 2000 fixed and nearly 100 pelagic species. So this is the example of tunicates, and that is known as the sea skirts. More about urochordates. It is a digestive system. They are all marine and sessile. Most tunicates feed by filtering sea water through the pharyngeal slits. The tunicates are suspension feeders. They have two openings in their body cavity, an incurrent and an excurrent siphon. The incurrent siphon is used to intake food and water, and excurrent siphon expels waste and water from the body. So the respiration and excretion and coelom of this protochordates is, the respiration is they have 2 to 7 pairs of gill slits, respiration through chest and gill slits. Excretion, tunicates lack the kidney-like metanephridial organs. They have neural gland, pylori gland, and nephrocytes. The coelom, the original coelom body cavity, develops into pericardial cavity and gonads. So what are the urochordates have? Urochordates have tunicate during their early development but lack myometric segmentation throughout the body and tail as adults. Blood vascular system is of open type. Heart is simple, ventral and tubular. Tunicate blood contains high concentration of the metal vanadium. The vanadium associated with proteins as well as the lithium. The larval and adult stages of the ascidians in the invertebrate, ascidian larvae, young ascidian larva, then the adult ascidians larva you can observe in the pictures. So the subphylum Cephalochordata, are small eel-like animals that spend much of their time buried in sand. They have notochord and nerve cord extends from head up to the tail and persists throughout the life. Chordate features is dorsal nerve cord, notochord, pharyngeal gills all present, myomeres, post-anal tail, lag features, etc. Then cephalochordate is respiration through the general body surface, no special organ for respiration, circulatory system. Cephalochordate have also well-developed circulatory system. Excretory system, simple excretory system composed of paired nephridia. Then reproduction is sexual. The sexes are separate and both males and females have multiple paired gonads. Eggs are fertilized externally and develop into free-swimming fish-like larvae. No asexual reproduction development is incorrect. So these cephalochordates or the protochordates is most important for their study in the chordata. So these protochordata are organisms that belongs to lower chordates through not part of a proper taxonomic group. These organisms form a major part of chordata. The protochordata have a notochord, a structure that provides support to the body of the organism for a certain period during their lifetime or all throughout the body. So the protochordata means are the formal category animals, not a proper taxonomic group, named mainly for convenience to describe invertebrate animals that are closely related to vertebrates. And these animals have pharyngeal gill slits and a dorsal nerve cord which is usually solid.